In software engineering, the requirements gathering is the first step, and also it is an important step because all other upcoming processes will be depending on what is available in the requirements phase. Especially the requirements definition actually define and describe what is needed by the customer and what will be procured as outcome of this software engineering. Actually, it formally spell out the requirements. In case if the requirements definition is incorrect, inaccurate, or excessive definition is given, it will be resulting in delay and wasted resources, and sometimes even it will be leading up to customer dissatisfaction. So in order to avoid this kind of inconvenience, we have to use some effective tool or effective technique so that the programmer or the designer can understand the requirements and they can go according to the customer requirements. One of the best ways for defining the requirements is the data flow diagram, which is a pictorial format. So the data flow diagram, DFD, is a visual representation of the information flows within a system. Okay, in the DFD, we will be depicting only the flow of information. The DFD composed of 4 elements. One is source or destination of data. Second one is flow of data. Third one is process. And the fourth one is the data store. As you see in the slide, the data flow diagram has these 4 basic elements. In the first, rectangle is used to define the source or the destination of data, and the second, the rounded rectangle, is used for depicting the process or the function, and the third one, the open-ended rectangle, is used for specifying the data store, and the arrow mark shows the flow of data. Just by using those 4 basic elements, we can draw the data flow diagram, and here is an example. This example is given for a project which is based on the shopping, the online shopping. Okay, so you can see the customer that is given in the rectangle because the information is starting, so that is a source, and also the shipping clerk that is at the end of the diagram. You can see the shipping clerk, that is also again it is a rectangle because the destination of the data is the shipping clerk. And in between you can see the rounded rectangle which shows the process, where the order from the customers will be processed and it will be further given to the next process or next destination. And also the open-ended rectangle, inventory database, package database, customer database, all these things are all databases where the information will be stored. So these are the repositories. So it is mentioned by having the open-ended rectangle, and the arrow marks shows the data flow. Okay. So through this diagram we can understand how the data flow diagram can be depicted. So we have learned the basics of data flow diagram. Okay, in the upcoming classes we are going to see the various levels of data flow diagram. Thank you.